What are TikTok Shop promo codes? TikTok Shop promo codes are special discount codes that sellers or TikTok itself provide to shoppers to encourage purchases and increase sales. These codes allow customers to receive instant discounts, cashback, or exclusive offers during checkout, making them a key part of TikTok's promotional and marketing ecosystem. For sellers, promo codes are a powerful tool to attract new buyers, boost conversions, and build brand loyalty. Sellers can create promo codes for specific products, categories, or campaigns. For example, during holidays, flash sales, or influencer promotions. Buyers simply enter the code at checkout to redeem the discount. With Helium 10, sellers can track how each promo code performs by analyzing sales spikes, conversion rates, and customer engagement, helping them measure campaign success and optimize future promotions. Many successful TikTok Shop sellers use promo codes strategically alongside influencer marketing and live shopping events. By combining real-time engagement with limited-time offers, they create urgency and excitement that drives instant sales. Helium 10's analytics ensure every code is data-backed, helping sellers focus on what's working best for their audience. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to smart tracking tools that help you analyze, optimize, and grow your TikTok Shop promo code campaigns with confidence and precision.